I used to spend an entire day making a YouTube video. But in recent times, I'm just doing it within 90 to 120 minutes. Not because I got faster, but because I stopped doing half of the work myself. 7 AI tools replaced almost everything between idea and published. Here's the exact tool stack. There are 7 tools in here. Some save 5 minutes, some save an hour. One of them saves me more time than all others combined. Let's start at the beginning. You know what's funny? Most videos don't get delayed because of editing. They get delayed because you're staring at a blank screen. I know there are thousands of creators out there talking about how to come up with an idea, but this tool comes in handy when you're exhausted of one. This is Animaker, the animation maker and Gen AI video generator. Tell it your niche, probably tutorials, reviews, education, whatever you make. It hands you video ideas, tailored to what your audience is already searching for. Pick the one that clicks. Now that I've got an idea, the next step is to come up with a script. I use Claude for this. But before that, draw a mental picture of what you're going to help viewers with this idea. Add clusters that will help you prioritize the points and give the viewers informative gold mine. And now with the clusters, go to Claude and get your script. In this step, I'm just trying to identify spots where the scripting could be improved to reduce viewer drop-offs. I'm attaching a resource below so that you can think of how to create a cluster with just one idea. And between the 2 steps, that's almost 45 minutes I'm saving before I hit the record button. The next most important part of a video is editing. Recording is easy part, but editing is where the day disappears. Removing pauses and hums and awkward phrases, cleaning audio, zooming into the timeline for the 100th time. That's why I use Descript. Instead of editing a timeline, you're editing words. Delete a sentence, the video updates. Need to remove filler words, 1 click. Need cleaner audio, done. An edit that usually takes 2 to 3 hours is now taking just 45 minutes. But getting one video isn't the goal anymore. The goal here is to get more content from the work you've already done. This is Remaker AI. I've got a 20-minute podcast and watch this. That's it. It found the strongest moments, cut them into shots, added captions, reframed everything for vertical. The old workflow typically looked like this. Watch the entire video, scrub through timeline, guess where the interesting moments are, cut, caption, resize, repeat. That's easily 2 or 3 hours of work. Now it's closer to however long it takes for me to grab a cup of coffee. And done, you've got 5 shots ready. Sometimes even 6. We're already past 2 hours saved and there's still more in the list. Let's get into it. The next one is going to be the favorite one. Have you ever finished a video and edited it, exported it, and then you found out you misspoke or lied? Normally that's another recording session, but with 11 lamps I just fixed the text. My cloned voice says the new line, no microphone, no re-recording. If I need another language, I'm going to do the same thing. The entire voiceover gets dubbed without even starting over. Okay, coming to the interesting part. Background music means scrolling through an endless music library, hoping something would fit. Now I type cinematic but upbeat modern tech. A minute later I've got something original. That's Suno for you. I spend way less time hunting for a track and way more time for the actual publishing. Coming to the last and interesting part. Animated titles and motion graphics. I would usually skip this thing because I don't really want to sit and do it manually. Now, I build reusable graphics with TriClipper. Once it's set up, every future video gets the same polished loop without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is one of the handy tools where I can use a lot of templates and I can also get few motion graphics from prompts. Alright, that's the entire workflow I was talking about. Anyways, you don't need all 7 in just one day. Pick one tool that's actually eating most of your time right now and start from there. Hope this saved you a few hours of your video generation process. See you in the next one. Thank you.